Creator Suite on YouTube. First, you got to open up a browser, and I have a Google account already established. I'm assuming you do too. And then I'm going to go over. This is my account. I'm going to click on these 9 little boxes. It's going to open up, and I'm going to click on YouTube. Now my YouTube account should open up. Now I want to get to my Creator Suite, where you're going to find your video manager, your dashboard, and all the other things that you can use to evaluate your channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here. It's going to bring a drop-down window. I'm going to go to Creator Studio. I'm going to click on it. Now, here I am. I'm in my Creator Studio, and this is my dashboard. And in the dashboard, it shows the last couple of videos you've uploaded. It shows your analytics, and how much your time watched, your views, subscribers, how many more you got, and your estimated money over the last number of days. And then down here, it's got the videos, and then it's got some comments, which you don't want to read because how YouTube comments can be. So from here, I can go to my video manager. And that opens up another page where it has all of my videos listed. And I have 1,060 videos. And if you look, it gives you, I believe, 25 of them or something like that. And it tells you if they're monetized, how many views. These are just been put on, so there's not that many views. Now, if you want, you can take a look at your videos in a different way. You can go to the newest, which is what I have here, or let's take a look at most viewed. So if I click on most viewed, what will happen is that all my most viewed videos will come up. And my most viewed one is Kite Surfer Falls into a Swarm of Sharks at Delray Beach. It's got almost 2 million views. You can see these are monetized, and YouTube's been coming in and unmonetizing a lot of them for some reason. I don't know why, but you can see there's a couple of them, like here's one. I've already requested a review. So anyway, that's your video manager. It also has a couple other things in here. It shows your unlisted, private videos, monetized, not monetized, and some other different categories that you can use. Now in here, if you want, you can do things to your video. Like I can click on here, and let's say I want it to delete it. I could click over here and it would delete the video. I don't want to do that, of course, because that's my #1 video. So let's go over here and let's take a look at this. This has my different playlists. So I have a whole bunch of playlists. I've got when I went to Italy, I've got the Delray Rec, a bunch of videos on there. These are the 48-hour film projects. I have my kite surfing videos, windsurfing. I've got a bunch of animal videos. I've got Zen videos, family cooking, original songs, how-to videos, 98. These seem to work really well. And then I got Delray Beach paddleboarding and a bunch of other ones. I've got karate, of course, which is another favorite. Now the next thing we can do is come down and we can take a look at our community. In our community, you have all the different things that people are talking to you about on your videos. You don't want to read a lot of these because some of them are kind of nasty. But it also has messages if anybody left you a message. Hi Tom, I love your video of Yano Sensei. So here's the guy that wanted it. It tells you your subscribers. Here's all your subscribers as they come in. And it tells when they signed up and who they are. Over here you've got a couple other things you can look at on your own. Over here is analytics, and this is where you want to go to see what's going on with your all your things on your YouTube channel. Here it has my name. It's got the time watched, and here I've got 53,000 minutes. Average duration is almost 2 minutes, which is pretty good. The views, they're down a little bit, but my revenue was up, not a lot. Likes down, dislikes up, comments. And down here it gives you a couple different videos and how much you made, what you made on RedTube, what you made from the video from your share of the advertising. Now they keep changing that, but if you want to look at some more videos to see what your top revenues are, you can go here and you can see I'm kind of like an upward trend here, which is good. It's got my estimated revenue and all that stuff here. And then if we go over here, it tells you which video you're making the most money on over the last period of time that you have established in here. Also, if you want to look at the ad rates, you can click here, and this will tell you what they're charging. This is YouTube ad revenue, and my share of that was about half. And this also shows what these different videos are doing. You can see how much money each video made: $12, $10, $8. So that gives you a good idea of what's going on. You can do your overview. and just get a quick snapshot, and that kind of tells you, what's going on, where your videos are being watched, who's watching them, mostly male, where your traffic sources are, such as they suggest a video, that's 40%, YouTube searches, 31%, external 17, other, playback locations, YouTube page, embedded in external webs, 98% are from YouTube. So that tells you a lot about what's going on there. So it has a lot of different things that you can look at. You can go through these things, and like here's devices. It tells you what devices these things are played on. And just to let you know, most of your videos are going to be watched on mobile phones and on basically handheld devices. Then the next is computers, tablets, very low, and TV. Game consoles, very low. So most people are using their phones. They're on their phones. So you definitely want to make it so that it's phone friendly. And back to the dashboard. So if we go in here and we click on videos, video manager, it opens up the video manager. And here you can edit your video. Let's say I wanted to change this. I click on it. And I want to add, let's say, more tags. So I've got some tags over here that I'm gonna, let's see where they are. Here they are. I'm gonna take these tags. I'm gonna Command C them, and I'll come in here and I'll Command V them. And I just put a whole bunch of new tags in there. And if I want to delete a tag, I just click on that. Let's say I want to get rid of Delray Beach. I get rid of that one because it's kind of a double. And let's get rid of Kite because I already got it. And kite surfing because I got it already. So there you go. And then if you want to write a little bit more in here, you can just big waves in Delray Beach. Big deal. Over here, it tells you if you want to make it a public, that means anybody can look at it. You can also make it private and you can make it unlisted. I like it public because that's the only way I'm going to make any money. Now here's your playlist. I put it in Delray Beach kiteboarding and Delray Beach kite surfing. I could also put it in Delray Beach, Florida. Over here, we got to check and see if we're monetized. Yes, we are. Advanced settings, we're sports. It's got all the different little things. Set the language. You can do all these things everywhere. I want it everywhere. I want anybody to be able to see it. And then I want to save it. Click on that. So I just edited this video a little bit in there. And then we go back here to our video manager. And it shows, there's our video. It looks, 4 people have already seen it. I just uploaded it a couple seconds ago. And that's pretty much it for your Creative Studio, your dashboard, your video manager, and some of these little deals in here. I would encourage you to explore it a little bit more so that you can find some good uses for it. Mainly, I use it for a revenue stream. All right, have a great day. That's Tom on U2 Tips.